Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a minute since we've done a POV video, but honestly I feel like now is the best time to do it because obviously we're boosted. What a better time to do it. I will not be going too crazy when I be flooring it, only because of the fact of the tune's not 100% done. I would say we're probably about 80 to 90% done, but we're still not 100%. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little POV video of the driving experience behind the FA5 boosted FA5. Something that I've been wanting to do for a minute and something that I'm finally able to do. Little pull for you guys. It's a little something for you guys. I can't really be flowing it too much, only because I haven't upgraded the clutch master cylinder on this car yet, so I will not be going absolutely crazy, but still want you guys to be able to hear the noises and stuff like that. I mean, if you guys don't know what's done in this build, it is a Kraftwerks supercharged car with a 110mm pulley. I'm running the Skunk2 alpha headers and then a full race exhaust in the back. So this car's done some nice things. Currently has 241,000 miles, so I want this thing to be able to last me at least another year. I don't want to go too crazy on this car until we get a K24 in here, but I want to see what the potential is of boosting and having this car boosted. But so far it's been good, it's been great. I mean, we've been tuning with Yash, and if you guys don't know, he is my tuner, and we've been going back and forth. He's saying that the car looks healthy, the car feels healthy to me, which is just a plus. One thing that I do love about this kit that I probably will say it is it's not crazy loud of a whine, though the whine is there. You can definitely hear it, but it's not like a crazy whine, which is something that I was super happy about, because obviously I live in the state of California and I don't want to be here whining everywhere. But I mean, you can still hear it, like you can still hear it. It's just not crazy loud. But all in all, car feels great. Power is very linear. Now, I don't have crazy top end, I don't have crazy low end. The power is there when I need it. Now obviously I am going to go E85. Knowing me, I'm going to want more power eventually, but currently as the car sits, I'm super excited with the way that it is right now. I couldn't be any more excited with this car. I mean, even the car has AC, which feels good. Not a lot of boosted guys have AC, so this is a plus. I haven't been driving this car too much, only because it's been crazy hot in California. But now that I finally got the AC working, I wouldn't mind driving this every day, to be honest with you. The power's there, the car's fun. You know, she don't look the prettiest, but I mean, she still gets the job done. At this point, it's a sleeper build. That's what we're gonna call this for now. This is the sleeper build, okay? Now, I know a lot of people are probably gonna be saying, power-wise, what are you pushing? I have no idea at all, but I do feel like this is faster than my Type R. In some cases. I don't know, could be, who knows? Now, I know a lot of people have been asking me, like, why would you supercharge a 240,000 mile motor? Honestly, this car feels super healthy. Even when I was NA, it was like probably the healthiest that it's ever been, and honestly it still feels super healthy. Like, I have no issues at all. Granted, I don't drive it every day, but still, even like driving it for the short distance that I do drive it, the car feels really good. And I just love hearing that supercharger. Like, it's not crazy, but it's there. You know what I mean? By the way, Acuity shifter still holding up very good. I love this shifter. It's been the greatest thing ever, honestly. But I mean, if I were to daily this car, it'd be probably one of the perfect dailies, because one, like I said, the power's there when you need it. It's not sluggish. It has AC. I have Apple CarPlay. Like, this would be the best daily ever. She just feels so good, bruh. 85. I don't know, man. Obviously I want more in my car, but I want it to be reliable. An E85 would be crazy. I don't know. Maybe. What's crazy is I actually live next to an E85 station too. That's what makes it crazy. And that wine is just so sexy, you know what I mean? I don't know, man. Definitely a sleeper build for sure. I don't think anybody would expect to see this thing boosted, especially like on the streets or anything. I don't think anybody would expect that. But honestly, I think this is one currently of my favorite builds. Now I do miss my Type R, but that had like, that was quick out of the box. This one is like, I started from the ground up and I made it quick. That's like two different things. Maybe we could do a little hunting right here. Wants to see. Nobody expects this thing to be supercharged. See, no one expects it, bruh. Like, it's so slept on. He is not biting, bruh. Fuck. I just want to have a little fun, you know what I mean? That dude was not biting it, bro. His face was so, he was focused straight. Bro was not looking to the side. That is funny. Bruh. You look at this car and you just don't expect it. So she says I took the wrap off. It's like crazy. That is so funny. Got a little fellow 10 gen person here. I don't really know if they want it though. Dude, I really wanted to have fun with the Camaro. I guess bro's not about that life. It's old man, bruh. Pretty good. She do be pretty good. Definitely am in love with this setup. Can't lie to you. I literally love this car so much, bruh. Oh man, this car is, it's like scary, but it's fun because like this car was not meant to be this fast, but it's meant to be this fast. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys. Like, this car is not meant for this speed, but it just feels so good. It's so bright, you know what I mean? Just meant to do it, you know? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I wanted to make this little video because basically I took it out for a drive, and this is probably the longest drive it's ever been on. So I just wanted to be able to document it. Plus, I went for a pretty far drive. So honestly, this thing acts pretty good. I'm in love with this car. I love how it feels, sounds. It's just all around a great car right now. I couldn't be any more excited. We have a lot of things to do, a lot of stuff to still do on this car, but currently where it sits, I'm happy, but there are always so much more to do. So You know, I'm gonna keep uploading every week for you guys. Like I told you guys, every Monday I want to upload a new video. This is just a little bonus video for you guys because honestly I just wanted to make this video and upload it for you guys. But next Monday, every Monday, 4 p.m. I will be uploading a new video, so stay tuned for that. Plus, like I said, every now and then you guys might get a little bonus video from your boy. But super excited to be making more content for you guys, man. Honestly, just being able to upload once a week just feels super good, and I couldn't be any more excited. Give this video a thumbs up. There's about 80% of you guys right now that currently watch these videos that are not subscribed. I need you guys to do me a favor, go and hit that subscribe button. Your boy's trying to hit 10K. Your boy's trying to make some moves out here. Like I said, if you guys are brand new here, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.